guys, welcome back to another episode of Minecraft. In today's episode, we are gonna finish the mob zone. Because of my stupidity, I just built it wrong, but then I just didn't build it fully. You thought I built it fully. Yeah, you definitely saw that by looking at that, but I didn't build it fully. So first, let me just... How can I get up there? I know I can get down, but what? Okay, I will be back fixing this problem. So I made it up. Whew. From up there, I had to clutch up and do things. But let's just forget that. That took a long time, but bye bye wood blocks. So now the first thing I have to do, I already lit up the area. Oh no, I should have made a crafting table. Okay, now. Okay, let's make a lot of trapdoors. I need way more trapdoors than this. We will fix the trapdoor problem later. But yeah, I need more trapdoors. No! I wasted a trapdoor already. Okay. I'm stupid right now. So basically these trapdoors are just... No way! These are not supposed to be fixed. No way. All of these just... No. I don't want to fall. How do I place the trapdoor then? It just goes like that. Oh no. It's... that we just... Whew. Phew. I will fix the trapdoors later. Cobblestone isn't really a problem. So yeah. We will fix the trapdoors. Yep, I have a lot of them stored from mining off camera, as you guys should have known. Oh, sorry for the notification. Let me just turn the... Yep. Are you serious? Let me just make one wall. And I will be back after building all sides. And done. We're done. And I have to just do this again. Yay! By the way, if you're wondering, I just found another llama Twitter. So yeah, there's llamas down there. So we are officially done. Now we just have to go down and get wood. perfect landing. Let me just go out and chop the tree down. Oh, I just remembered I don't even have trees. I only have a bunch of slabs. Oh no. Oh god gracious. Let me just have some wood. Here we just have this much wood and these slabs. These slabs are useless. How much trapdoors can we make? 6. We just only got 12 trapdoors. Nope, nothing in here. Nothing. We have a bunch of slabs. The only thing where I think so I can get wood is actually the villager outpost. And nowhere else is there's wood, I think so. Because I'm stupid and forgot to plant the trees here. I mean, I planted them, but they didn't grow. So that's not my fault at all. They didn't grow, and I planted them, and I have only 12 trapdoors. Yeah. This infinite water doesn't do anything or affect anything. I'm gonna have to make this work. Don't know why there's this. Let me just speed on over there. And let's just find out how to get there. And zero. I can bucket it. I can't do it. I have to get back again. So guys, my video footage, I forgot to record it, but I actually, there was a acacia jungle at spawn. If you don't remember, there is a acacia jungle over there. Where am I pointing my snow bucket? There is a acacia jungle. So I mined for half an hour at least and broke my axe 5 times. Yeah. So let's just. Oh, I almost placed this down normally. Oh no, it's almost night. Yep, easy jump. Long let's make some trap doors. Let me just make a stack for now. Wait, that's all the trapdoors that I made? Oh, that's almost not even a stack. That's not even a stack. Here's my cobble. Oh, I forgot. I also ran out of cobblestone. So does this now work? Oh my god. So I have to just do like that. This is gonna take a long time to place then. Yay, that means fun. Done. Now let's. Why do you have to be sideways? Okay, I got it. Oh my. This is gonna be a hard time. But I'm gonna be back after placing all the trapdoors. So I'm back and yeah, I did it. I covered it with trapdoors. Now I just have to break the torches. Yep, break the torches. I can reach there, I can't reach. Oh. Now this little torch boy. No, 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 no. No. Oh my god. Oh my god, I almost died. I will be back up. That was... I almost died. Literally. We saw the literally. Editor, I think so. I need to edit. The editor has to edit that very well, because that was the coolest thing that I ever have done in Minecraft, and non-purposely. By the way, buy crafting table, and by the way, Stolchi, come here. Ooh, almost fell off the edge. Ooh, that's a far drop down. But now let's just fill this entire thing up. This is gonna take so much time. I will complete a box and there, and nope. I'm stupid right now. I'm gonna do the entire thing. I will be back. So I'm back and I almost completed it, and that's it. I completed it. Let me just see it from the bottom. First, let me just crouch because I don't want to fall. Means I technically am gonna fall, but not like that. Easy. And we completed the farm, kind of. Let me just cover this up back, and now mob should start. What? I just realized that there's a leak. How can I get up there? I will be back. That's it for today's episode. After building the functional farm, it should start working now. Yeah, so yeah, it should start working in a couple minutes. So that's it for today's episode, and bye guys.